Go for it.
Fuck away. Yeah!
That's low. Whatever, it doesn't have to be up that high.
It works. Yeah. I'll experiment. There's no recoil. Can I launch one? Oh, wait.
What?
Oh, wait. No, I want to launch. Can I launch one of the cracklers?
We should launch one each.
Okay. I didn't feel anything bust out from here, so we're good here. It just went straight forward. It all went straight forward, so I don't have to worry too much about anything.
Hey, drive.
Just gonna straighten it out as much as you can.
Is that a crackler?
Yeah.
I want to try one of those too. Well, first I want to see how it works out for you.
I'll light it for you.
Oh crap, you got to light it and hold it up right away.
Ready?
Holy crap.
Oh, that one had a recoil. Dang. Like it went like this, ready? It was like,
Did you actually hold it good?
I like,
Oh, you did twist it.
and it was like this. And it was kind of loud.
That was loud. It was like, boom. It's pretty
Hold on,
awesome.
you want one?
Yes.